Okay, next tab I'm going to go through is equipment. So that's soft key H. We'll select that. Okay, so at the machine tab at the very top we have machine type. So we're in a combine, so it automatically recognizes that. Machine model, so this means we're in an S series combine. And machine name, we have the serial number in there, so it automatically populates that. Depending on what machine you are, if you're in a 9770 combine, for example, you'd have to put all this in automatically because it won't. This stuff won't populate up in there. Next one is recording source at the bottom. It's set to auto. The display recognizes it's a combine, so it automatically selects that recording source. And another thing to check is just your offsets. So just make sure all those are set up. They don't have to be set up 100%, but it's always good to have something in there. Okay, the next tab we're going to go through is your header. So implement type, we have a 615P hooked up to this, so it recognizes it's a belt pickup. Implement model, I have to name that, so I put 615P in there. And implement name, I just have Deere. So the next thing we'll go through is our change widths. So we'll select that. So our implement width, we're going to base off of what kind of swath we're picking up. So if we had a 30-foot swather, we'd go implement width 30 feet and track spacing, you can put 29 in there. Just to allow a little bit of GPS drift. And physical width, you can just leave that at 30. Another thing on here too is the overlap control at the very, very bottom. If you turn that on or off, it's almost like a sectional control. So if the coverage map sees that you're only combining 20 feet of swath, it'll kick out 2 sections just to make your yield coming in more accurate. And once again, same thing with your header offsets, so you can change those too. Just go to change offsets, you can measure your header up and just put those in there. And they don't have to be exact either, just it's always good to have something in there. And network settings. If you're using any kind of machine communication radio or MCR, this is kind of where you go to set that stuff up. So it's going to ask you for a combine name on a network, and then your network channel and your network name as well.